Welcome to a new episode of Elog Sews. I'm your host Elog, and today I'll be showing you how I made this puffer hoodie I'm wearing right here. It's got these interesting welt pockets which actually connect, and an interior zip pocket. If you haven't, check out my latest video to see how to draft the pattern. Otherwise, you can buy the printable PDF pattern, link in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into it. You'll need 2.5 meters of your shell fabric. I'm using microactive here, 1/4 meter of fusible interfacing, aka Vilene, 20 centimeter short zip, 1.5 meters of batting, and 1.5 meters of lining fabric. So to start things off, you'll need to cut your fabric using the pattern that we drafted in the last video. You can also get a printable PDF of the pattern, link below. It comes in different sizes and is fully labeled. For this step, it is highly advisable to put a weight on your fabric. So anything that's kind of heavy that you can find, just put it on so it is easier to cut. So next, what you want to do is apply the fusible interfacing to the wrong side of your pocket pieces, i.e. the welt pocket pieces and the interior zip pocket. So here I'm stitching those back seams together at 1/4 inch seam allowance. This means that our new stitch will be to the right of our initial stitch.
If you wanna make love to me, if you want to make me your own, if you wanna make love to me, if you want to make me your own, if you wanna make love to me, if you want to make me your own.
So here, you want to make sure that the seams by your sleeve open are aligned. Then you're going to fold them in so that they're right sides facing and hold the seams together from below. Then you're going to adjust so you're holding it like this. And next, you're going to sew, starting from the seams at 1/2 inch seam allowance.
If you wanna make love,
It's pretty much the same process for the neck hole. Just going to make sure that the notches on the back are aligned, have it right sides facing, and sew all around. So what is very important here is that it's the back seams that are aligning. If you are doing this and you see that the back seam is aligned to the front seam, then something is wrong. It means that you may have made a mistake in the first step of lining the hoodie.
if you want to make me your own, if you wanna make love to me, if you want to make me your own.
I need to jump out the beam, a passenger side is a diva, okay. You going hard for the week, and I'm going hard for the season, okay. Most of these niggas are demons, some of these niggas deceiving, okay. I go to bed feeling bad if I didn't run up a bag, okay.
And there you have it. Turned out pretty cool. It's officially my favorite hoodie right now. One thing I would change though is the placement of the interior pocket. It's kind of hard to access, so I would next time place it vertically so that when you kind of access it from outside, it's easier to get to it. Other than that, it fits great and it looks great. And thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace out.
I go to bed feeling bad if I didn't run up a bag, okay. Sure, sagale dale babaka, para no que se gapata. Go pasar la matata, le na que mucho galapa. Que tipi le cala mañana va a quedar clara. Bafana ka shaga wa kabaga tiba wa kabi kala. Bafana ka shaga wa kabaga tiba wa kabi le cala. Bafana ka shaga wa kabi cala. Con que te mi pata la saga wa triba wa kala. I need to jump out the beam, a passenger side is a diva, okay.